Hi everyone! If you have been using the Coinbase app recently and wondering on how to buy the ZYN coin, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy ZYN coin on the Coinbase app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type ZYN coin just like this and search for it. Now here is the thing, if the ZYN coin is listed on the Coinbase, it should appear in the search results, and if it is not listed on the Coinbase, then you cannot buy it. Unfortunately, not all coins are available on the Coinbase directly. So if it is available on the Coinbase, you can simply tap onto the buy button and buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the ZYN coin on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.